No mai anō, welcome back. Let's have a look at the weather. Now that deep low is still making its presence felt tonight and into Friday, with strong southerlies, heavy rain and rough seas affecting parts of the country, with heavy rain watches remaining in place across parts of the North Island. Rain and showers linger across Marlborough and Canterbury tonight, with snow lowering to around 400 metres and road snowfall warnings in place for several alpine passes. Strong winds continue along parts of the west coast before conditions gradually ease on Friday. And it's looking to be another settled in 24 hours for the North Island, with rain, showers and strong southerlies continuing into Friday. There's still the risk of thunderstorms in the far north, and Wellington remains in the firing line for severe southerly gales, with gusts up to 130 kilometres an hour possible and large swells arriving along exposed coast through Friday. So up top, it's going to be wet and windy again, possible thunderstorms as well, and even some hail before dawn. Gusty southwesterlies have returned for most too. Wet out in the Bay of Plenty as well. No thunderstorms for you, but gusty sour and southeasterlies. Occasional rain that should hopefully clear by evening. And more wind and wet weather out east. Some rain that could be heavy at times, and look at that mixed bag of winds moving through right into the afternoon. Cloudy periods with the odd shower mainly in the evening. Strong southeasterlies gusting 90 kilometres an hour, which should ease by evening. Moving to the south now, and it's looking brighter, passing cloud, but it's going to be fine by the Arvo. You will have some winds gusty until around midday. To the east coast, not as sunny for you, sorry. Periods of rain possibly heavy, hopefully breaking for your Friday afternoon. Some spots will still have gusty sour and southwesterlies and chilly temps to follow. And wow, what a cold one for the bottom of the country at Queenstown. I spy your low of -3 there. Frost coming your way, but it's looking like clear skies for most. Maybe the odd shower for the very bottom. To our main centres now, Ōtepoti, Dunedin, cloudy periods with the odd shower clearing to fine in the afternoon. Westerlies coming your way and a high of 9. Ōtautahi, scattered showers and cloud for you, as well as strong southerlies which should ease by lunchtime, but a chilly 8 will be your high. Welly, you're used to it by now. Wet and windy, periods of rain with heavy falls possible. Gale southerlies with damaging gusts of 130 kilometres an hour in exposed places, but they're easing in the evening. 8 is your high. To Hawke's Bay now, soggy for you too. Rain in the afternoon which could be heavy, and some southerlies which will die down by evening. Tauranga, strong southeasterlies for a bit in the morning and then again in the afternoon. You could get some rain as well, and 15 is your high. In Hamilton, you guessed it, wet and windy, rain here and there, and those chilly southerlies for you too, and a high of 12. Tamaki Makaurau, on and off rain for your Friday, easing by PM. Gale southerlies gusting 90 kilometres an hour in exposed places and a high of 13. Over the ditch, a high of 32 in Darwin, but not as warm elsewhere. Showers and cloud for most. In the Pacific, fine for Fiji, Niue and Tonga. Let's take our first peek into next week now. I fear it's going to be a bit of the same story in the north. Some places, though, will get lucky with some sunshine by at least Monday. But for the south, crispy weekend and crispy start to the week. Low temperatures, but blue skies for a few places, despite some frosty starts for the bottom. And here is that snow we talked about in Tekapo. How gorgeous is that? Thank you so much, George, for the snaps.
Good to see a bit of a dusting of snow coming in.
Yes.
Ava, thank you so much.